In this video, we will cover Oracle Linux date and time commands. For our objectives today, and after viewing this video, you should be able to describe configuring system date and time during installation, describe configuring system date and time by command line, explain the timedatectl utility, and lastly, you'll be able to explain configuring network time protocol using chrony. Oracle Linux has three command line utilities to configure the system date and time: the date command, the HW clock command, and the timedatectl command, which comes with systemd. Run the date command with no arguments to display the current date and time. Run the date command with the argument plus $a to view the weekday name. Run the date command with the argument plus $b to view the full month name. Use the date command to change the date to another date using the plus $d-s options and the new date. Substitute today's correct date. The example changes the date to 25th of September 2018. Use the date command to change the time to the correct time by adding the plus sign, $t, $p-s options. Example changes the time to 4:14 p.m. Run the timedatectl command with no arguments to display the system date and time information. You can disable NTP by running the timedatectl command with set-ntp-0 as arguments. Use the timedatectl command with the setTime argument to change the date to another date. You can substitute any date. Use the timedatectl command and setTime argument to change the date to the correct date. Run the timedatectl command afterwards with no arguments to verify that the date is changed. Use the timedatectl command to change the time to the correct time. Substitute the current local time and enter the hour using a 24-hour clock. Run the timedatectl command afterwards with no arguments to verify that the time is changed. Next, use the systemctl command to start the chrony daemon, chrony. Run the chrony-c-n tracking command to check chrony tracking. The N option provides numeric host address output. Run the chrony-c command and source stats with the verbose option -v.